Alright, today we have a scenario. What do we have? On the left pane, you work at a computer repair store and you are on site at a customer's office. They have signed up for cable internet access. The cable company has installed a line in their office. You need to configure the network so that wired and wireless computers can share the cable internet connection in the customer's office. All connectors on the wall plate are for one connections only. You do not have LAN connection inside the office. Alright, so in this tab, your task is to connect the component to set up an internet connection. Alright, so let's fix this. Alright, so we'll go to the, are we going inside? No, we'll go to the back and let's see our routers. We have two routers here and we are going to connect our router. Let's bring it closer. Bring it closer here. We have 1, 2. Alright, so everything to the back. This back. Alright, so let's look at the cables. What kind of cables do we have? First up, we'll start with that Cat6 cable. One end is supposed to go in here, another end supposed to go in here. Why one end? We need another one. This will go in here. Nope. This will go in here. While the other end will go into the computer slots. Alright, so next is we connect the power. So these will go in here, and the other end will come here, will be plugged. Alright, so we take the power cable for the second device. So we'll plug in the power here, and this will go into this port. What else? We are using a quasar cable. One end is supposed to go into this port, while the other end will go into the wall. There's a space for quasar cable here. Alright, so is anything remaining? Nope, I don't think so. Our Ethernet here is connected and it's blinking, so hopefully that is fine. Let's go to the front and we'll go into the PC. Let's see, this is connected but it has no internet access. Alright, so that is just what we are required to do. So let's check our answers, and everything is correct. Alright, so if this video was helpful, consider sharing so that others can benefit. Also like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.